Before you upload your next video, these three settings are very important and you need to know them, and it's going to give you instant visibility on your channel. You are going to get subscribers, you are going to get watch hour, your video is going to get momentum. Now, before we dive into this setting, there are sometimes small channels usually ignore these settings. When we talk about settings on YouTube, these settings are here to be able to help your channel to grow faster on YouTube. It's going to help your channel to be visible to your own particular audience. And we mostly focus on thumbnail, we mostly focus on SEOs, we mostly focus on title and shooting your video, editing your video. You do not turn on this setting on your channel, and this is going to stop you from getting that visibility that you need. So what do you have to do right now? Pay attention to the end of this video, because the first setting I'm going to be talking about is the most important and the newest setting that YouTube just rolled out, and I need to plug you in right now. So let's dive into this video. I'm going to be showing you my YouTube Studio Analytics. Now I'm going to be putting a screen recording right here so you can see. Now you can see that I am already in my YouTube Studio. Now this is the desktop version. I know that many of you usually upload your long form content through the app, and you do not usually come to your YouTube Studio to do anything than to just, put in your end card, your screen. Now the first setting that you're going to be seeing right here is your subtitle, your end screen, and your card. So the first setting I'm going to be showing you that YouTube just rolled out is this quizzes, and I'm going to be showing you where you can also see this setting apart from this side on your YouTube channel. So how did I get to this setting? So you can just click in any of your video. Yeah, I want to go back right now. So you know that you can incorporate it in any of your video. So just click on any video that you like. I'm going to be clicking on this video of how I got my 1000 subscriber, and you are going to see this part right here. Okay, sorry, let me go back. You are going to see this part right here where it's showing quizzes. Now you're going to click on it. When you click on it, you'll be able to add quiz during your long form content. YouTube just rolled out this one to be able to boost engagement. Now you can put in any type of quiz that you want. See, now what do you want to ask your audience? How many subscribers? Now this is just for my niche, so you can do what works for your niche to be able to engage your own audience. Do you have right now? Or if it's not subscriber, you can ask how many watch hour. Okay, let's take it to watch hour, because many people are looking for how to monetize their, that is for my channel, for my niche. People are concerned about how to monetize their channel. So how many watch hour do you currently have? So you can say answer 1000 and above, because 1000. Okay, you can just write 1000. The answer 2, 800. So you can just put it like that. You can still add another answer here. You can decide to delete this one and then put in something that is more to your taste. You can decide to delete this first one. You can decide to delete this first one, delete the second one. Just write whatever. You can even add answer here, add answer 3, and then you can now add an explanation, maybe whatever you have already asked your subscribers. You can add the answer here, like, okay, this is why you're not, this is why you're, this is why your channel is, so channel is not getting watch hour. You can also put in a link to your video, that is, you can also tell them to watch my latest video about it here. So you can also add it here. When you add it, when you are done adding it, then you can now see that you've already put in answer 3. Okay, because it's not telling me to save, so answer 3 I can say 2000. So then you are going to click save here, but this is for content purposes, so I'm going to disregard this. This is how you are going to boost engagement on your channel. This is going to make your channel to, want to pop up. Now these quizzes, you can add it. I forgot to tell you how you are going to add it. When you are adding your quizzes, you are going to put in the time where you want this quiz to show. 0, 3, 5, 6. So in the third minute, then that is where you want to see. It's already showing here. The icon has already pointed out here that is where the quiz is going to pop up on your channel. So immediately you are talking on your video, maybe you ask the question, then the quiz is going to pop up and they are going to answer the quiz. It's going to boost engagement on your video. In fact, it's going to make your video to get a lot of watch time. So I'm going to be putting it here. How many subscribers, because I talked about subscriber in this video, do you have currently? 500, 1000. So I'm just going to do 500, 1000, and then if you want to explain how they can get their subscriber, you can put it here. Then I'm going to save it here so I can see how this is going to come out. You are going to go into the next setting on your YouTube studio. You are going to click on this setting icon over here. You are going to see it down here. You are going to click on it. Now for a new channel, this setting is for you. For a new channel, this setting is for you. You're going to open and go to channel and go to advanced setting. This setting here, you are going to enable this setting. What you are going to do here is this audience setting over here. You are going to click no, set this channel not made for kids. It's going to ask you, is your channel made for kids, yes or no? There are so many of you that this setting is still on made for kids. That is the reason why your channel is not getting to the right audience, and this is what you need to do. Do not choose I want to review this setting for every video. Do not choose that one. Don't do it, because it's going to just give you headache. Choose no. Once you choose no, whether you are going live, whether you are putting a long form content, whether you are posting shorts, this setting is just automatically going to set as not made for kids. And now you are going to still turn on your automatic caption, because it's not every one of us that uses the CapCut Pro. Like me, I do not use CapCut Pro. So whenever somebody wants to watch your video, they can just turn on the caption right here. This CC right here you are seeing on my video, they can turn it on, and once you have not turned on your automatic caption, it will not work. It will not work. They will not be able to interpret whatever you're saying on your video, especially those that do not hear or speak English. That is it. Now, the next setting, and that is the last setting you are going to do on your channel, is do not enable interest-based ad. Do not enable it. If you select this option, personalized ad will not be shown. This is going to hinder you from earning money on YouTube when you are eventually monetized. If you click on this right now and you save it, that means you are telling YouTube that once you get monetized, you don't want them to put in ad on your video. You don't want it. There are so many people on YouTube that do not want to make money through ad revenue, and that is fine. But me and you know that you want to make money through ad revenue, so you are going to disenable, uncheck this setting, and then you are going to save it. So once you are saved it, you know that you are secure, and then you can now start making money on YouTube once you are already monetized. Because to be able to be eligible for monetization, you need 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch hour to enable for monetization. Once you have met the requirement and you have applied, once this setting is turned off on your channel, YouTube is going to automatically just put in these ads on your setting, and you are good to go. There are sometimes that new channels, when you have a new channel, once you open a new channel, all these settings are enabled on your channel. They are checked. In fact, some settings are not even determined, like it's going to show not set. So you need to go to all these settings and then do them yourself. You have to do it manually. You have to tell YouTube that this is what you want for your channel and this is how you want your channel to be. Whatever you put in at the back end of your channel is how your channel is going to perform on the surface. So if you have found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video, and I'm seeing you guys in my next video.